Chaka over there. Feel the back of that dog, Sophia. How's the back different than your own back? How do you feel the floor through paws instead of through your hands? Good, ladies. Connect to the breath of this animal. And when you're ready, start making some noise as this animal. Appropriate to wherever your surrounding is. If you're out in your front yard, if you're in the house. You can interact with each other. Michelle, let's hear the sounds of this animal. Good, Michelle. Connect to it. Connect to it. Michelle, commit to the sound of that animal. Commit to the sound of that bird. Good. Good. Recreate one of those behaviors again, Tali. Good. And Michelle, let's see how this bird actually flies a little bit. Flies away from the situation. Good. Quick little fly. Good, ladies. In your own space, slowly start humanizing these animals. Slowly bring them to 2 feet as you keep the characteristics in mind. A little less dog, a little less bird, a little more human. Good, but keep that tension in the jaw, in the face. There it is. Good, good job. Good, yes, I see some characters developing here. Good, take your time to get up, take your time. Good job, and this scene is taking place in the playground also. And ladies, when you have a moment and you're ready, use a human voice and start a scene.
This is a good rib. Can I have some of that rib? Here. Thanks. It's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Good, good. That's the chewing that you did as an animal.
Oh, I thought you can play with her. Yes. You want to play? You want some of my rib? No. It'll be the best you ever tasted. Sure? We can look down the side. Isn't she the... Oh, yeah, you're in fifth grade. You were stuck on fifth grade. We know you. I think. I think you're in our school. Yeah, you go to our school. I saw you on the playground. Playing with your friends. Yeah. Well, let us know if you want to play. Okay. Yeah. If you want to stop, maybe let's go. Just like how hot? Huh? Just like come on, it will be fun. Hop, yeah, hop. The only thing you do is hop. So maybe. Yeah. No. Okay. Okay, go first. Okay, you can go first. And see.
Nice, ladies. Nice job.